As a visual learner, you'll prefer using pictures, images, and spatial understanding. The oral learner, of course, enjoys sound and music. The verbal learner loves words, giving speeches, writing poetry, and stories. The physical learner prefers to use his body by using his hands and a sense of touch. Logical learners are usually mathematicians and they prefer to use logic and systems. The social learner prefers to learn in groups with other people. And finally, there is the solitary learner. This student prefers to work alone and study alone.